Once upon a time in a small humble village, there lived a little girl named Layla. Layla was a kind and thoughtful girl, but lately she had been feeling very sad. Her family was poor, and they didn't have the nice things that other families in the village had. Layla often wore old clothes and sometimes they didn't have enough food to eat. She felt hopeless and frustrated, wondering why her family had to struggle so much. One day, as Layla sat quietly by the river, her mother came and sat beside her. She noticed the sadness in Layla's eyes and gently asked, "What's troubling you, my dear?" Layla looked up at her mother with tears in her eyes. "Why are we so poor, Mama? Why can't we have the things that others have? Feels like no matter how hard we try, nothing changes. I feel so hopeless." Her mother gave her a warm, comforting smile and took her hand. "Let me tell you a story," she said. Once there was a little seed that lived in a dry, barren land. The seed felt sad because the soil was poor, and it didn't get much water. It watched other seeds growing into big, strong trees and wondered why it couldn't be like them. But the little seed didn't give up. Instead of feeling sorry for itself, it decided to try its best to grow, even in the harsh conditions. It pushed its roots deep into the ground, searching for water. It reached up towards the sun, soaking in every bit of light. The little seed's efforts didn't go unnoticed. One day, rain finally fell, and the seed began to sprout. It grew and grew until it became a tall, beautiful tree, providing shade and fruit for everyone around. The other trees admired its strength and perseverance. They realized that it wasn't the rich soil or abundant water that made the tree special. It was its determination to grow, no matter the challenges. Layla listened intently, her tears slowly drying up. "So you're saying that even though we're poor, we can still grow and be strong?" "Yes, Layla," her mother said, gently brushing her hair back. "Poverty is not a defect. What matters is how we respond to it. If we work hard, stay hopeful and never give up, we can change our circumstances. We may not have much now, but we have each other, and together we can make a better life. Remember, true wealth comes from the heart, from kindness, love, and the will to make a difference." Layla smiled, feeling a new sense of hope.